Welcome to our channel, where today I'll guide you through the easy step-by-step process to activate your Nintendo eShop gift card quickly and start enjoying your favorite games right away. Welcome to our channel, where today I'll guide you through the easy step-by-step process to activate your Nintendo eShop gift card quickly and start enjoying your favorite games right away. Whether you have received a gift card as a present or purchased one for yourself, redeeming it on your Nintendo console or online account is straightforward and hassle-free. Let's get started. First, you need to power on your Nintendo Switch or other compatible Nintendo device and ensure it is connected to the internet. Once connected, navigate to the Nintendo eShop from the home menu. You'll then select your user profile to access your personalized eShop interface. Look for the Redeem Code option, usually found on the left-hand side menu or under your account settings within the eShop. Next, carefully scratch the cover on your physical gift card to reveal the 16-character code. For digital codes, simply copy the code provided. Type the code exactly as it appears into the empty field on the redemption page. Make sure to double-check for typos to avoid errors during activation. After entering the code, click on the OK or Redeem button to proceed. The system will then verify your code and, if valid, add the credited funds to your Nintendo eShop account balance immediately. You can now use these funds to purchase games, downloadable content, or other digital products on the shop. In case you encounter any error messages, verify the code again or check if the card is activated and valid in your region. For additional help, you can visit Nintendo's official support website. Remember, your Nintendo eShop gift card balance will remain until used, so you can save it for future purchases too. Now you know exactly how to activate and use your Nintendo eShop gift card with ease and confidence. Don't forget to make the most out of your gaming experience by exploring the vast library of titles available at your fingertips. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more helpful gaming tips and guides.